Namaste there. Welcome to English is Cool. This is English here. I hope you are all doing well and always have wonderful day. This is my wish for you. So let's start our today's lesson. And in this video today, I'm going to talk about how to use no and not correctly. I know you are thinking it's very easy to use no and not, but before thinking, let's have a closer look first. Uh, we all know we can use no as a negative when we express existence. For example, and there is no food on the table. You can also use not here, uh, but when you use not, you have to use any. It's little longer, but you have to use any, like there is not any food on the table, but you cannot say there's not food on the table here, there is not food. You need to use any here. There is not any food on the table. This is the way to talk. And see, it's, you see it's very, it's very easier to use no. If okay, if you have something countable things like books, there are no books in the back. Also you can use not, but you have to use any here, like there are not any books in the back. So just remember, you have to say any when you use not. So you see, it's easier, it's easier to use no this case to express existence more than one or something countable. It's very easy to use no than not. If you express existence in the past, then we can say like there was no traffic yesterday, there was not any traffic yesterday. Both are correct, but just the difference, you have to use any here. If I express existence in the future, then we can say also like there will be no homework this week, there won't be any homework this week. So it's very easy. Just see the difference, like there won't be any homework this week. After using be, you can use any, but not before. There won't there won't any be homework this week. This is incorrect. So there won't be any homework this week. This is correct. So just remember this thing. You have to use any when you use not. And I think after watching this video, you use no more than not, because I when I knew about it, then after that I also use no more than not. I hope it helped you and you enjoyed it. Uh, and thank you for watching my video till the end, and thank you to my all viewers and my subscribers. They are helping me a lot, and thank you so much. Okay, for today this is enough, and we will meet very soon in my next video. Till that, don't forget to subscribe my channel and give me a thumbs up. Thank you. Bye.